In this video, I'll show you how to copy filter data to another worksheet in Excel. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have this table and I want to filter out the data through percentage and month. So I want percentage greater than 70. So I'll just type here greater than symbol, then type 70. In the month, I want the data from January month. So I'll just type here Jan, just like this. Once you do that, go back to the sheet where you want to copy the data, then click on the data tab at the top. Here click on advanced. Now here we need to set this option on copy to another location, and in the list range we need to select the table. So this is the table, I'll just select it. So once you select the table, in the criteria range we need to give them a criteria range. So this is the criteria range, I'll just select it. And in the copy to section we need to give them the cell where we want to exactly copy the data. So this is the cell, I'll just select it. Now click on OK, and yeah, you can see we got the data right here. So yeah guys, that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.